Considering Apple's Creator Studio subscription in 2025? This honest review dives deep into whether Apple's new $13 per month Creative Suite is truly worth your hard-earned cash. Many are asking if this subscription, bundling powerhouse apps like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro, truly delivers for creative professionals on both Mac and iPad. The article unpacks the value proposition, highlighting how this suite also includes Pixelmator Pro and AI-enhanced versions of Keynote, Pages, and Numbers. While it promises a comprehensive toolkit for video editing, music creation, and design, a surprising twist reveals the author's skepticism, questioning its "too much for me and too little" approach for average users. Discover why the pricing, even with student discounts, might still be a hurdle for some. The author also expresses disappointment regarding the lack of full optimization for the powerful Vision Pro headset, despite its M-series chip. This Apple Creator Studio review exposes the current gaps, leaving us wondering if Apple's subscription model truly empowers creators or just adds to our growing monthly bills. For those ready to boost their creative workflow, find direct links to subscribe and learn more in the description below, and see if this suite is right for you.